Alright, hello everyone. You wouldn't expect it, but in there is a couple $100 CPU. It's a i7 9700K, and we are deleting it. And I don't have a delid tool, so what we're doing to remove the gunk is this paint thinner or another harsh chemical you may have that I don't recommend using. But it works. And the way you can tell that it's set in there long enough is you can start to see the black silicone start to come out from underneath the heatsink topper. So then once you have it there, it might actually start to wiggle a little bit, but then you can use some vice grips and grab onto this guy right here, and you just twist it a little bit. Okay, so now we got it in the vise. The vise is wrapped with several layers of masking tape for CPU safety. I've got the top of the CPU heatsink grabbed with my handy vice grips, and we'll give it a twist. Oh, did it. Alright. So, if we did it right, the CPU is undamaged. And then we'll just clean all of the gunk off of the stuff. When we're going to put the liquid metal on it, I'll show you the CPU. And if we did it wrong, it would be, the wafer would be bent. I probably could have waited overnight. If you just let it sit in there overnight, the paint thinner or whatever will eat through all the silicone. And I did it with a 7700K this morning, and it worked and booted right up. So that's it.